What's going on, gang? Brett Patrick here with Gutter Cleaner U. I'm out here getting ready to do a basic gutter cleaning. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a roof blow off, get these gutters cleaned out. This is a reoccurring customer I have. So came out last year, cleaned the gutters out, blew the roof off, took off some insufficient gutter guards they have, and boom, just like that, another customer, man. So y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here. Smash that subscribe button and keep them clean. Just like that, job well done. Got them all cleaned up, blew the roof off, got the gutters cleaned out. Only thing left to do now is go onto the ground, blow all the debris into common areas off the sidewalk, driveways, garden beds, etc. There's plenty of space for me to blow stuff around this property, so it shouldn't be entirely too bad. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the content that I posted here. I'm really trying to get better at the time-lapse videos, but if you're thinking about getting into this industry and trying to make some money, I want to help you guys out. I'm by no means the answer for everything, but I have been doing this for a handful of years now. I do have a six-figure gutter cleaning business, and you know, if you're just starting out and you got some questions, concerns, you're not exactly sure how to do things, what equipment you need, how to go about getting sales, how to do jobs, consider checking out Gutter Cleaner U. It's in the link below. I have a gutter cleaning business toolkit. It's going to give you a ton of information. You can check out the ebook, which will show you how to get your first $1,000 in sales, as well as, you know, obviously check out the YouTube channel. There's a ton of content on there on, I mean, really pretty much everything you can think of, from, you know, how to price jobs, what equipment you need, how to knock doors, how to market your business, how to do jobs, etc., etc. So yeah, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you guys so much. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and as always, baby, keep them clean.